So now what we about to do, man, I'm about to drive to Chick Fil A.
He needs some milk.
Feel like I'm walking through hell. Damn, my brother got hit up with shells. Damn, we running through bags to notch on our ass, but fuck it, nobody gon' tell. Nobody some nails.
What it do, Stunna crew? This your boy MightyStunna, and I'm coming back with another video, man. Look, man, today, as you can read by the title, we are trying out the Popeyes chicken sandwich, the most hyped chicken sandwich in the world right now. And before we get into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. You know what's crazy? Subscribing to my channel is absolutely free. You don't have to pay nothing. It's absolutely free. So why would you not subscribe to my channel and join the Stunna crew? Please subscribe to my channel, man. Show some support. Join the Stunna crew. We are lit over here. And if you guys will leave a thumbs up in the video, let's aim for about like 50 likes. Let's aim for 50 likes. You can do that, right? Let's aim for 50 likes in the video. And also, before we get into the video, make sure you guys follow me on all of my social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter. All of that will be down below in the description. It is all MightyStunna. So now what I'm about to do, man, I'm about to drive to Popeyes, pick up about 2 chicken sandwiches, bring them back to the crib, try them out, and y'all can get my live review. Man, look at this, man. Oh my fuck! Yes, sir. Do not play. Do not play. All right, Stunna crew. Finally back at the crib, man. Actually, didn't even really take that long. It took like about 10 minutes in total. It wasn't that long. But look, man. So look, check me out. We got the spicy chicken sandwiches. Not sandwich, but sandwich is. So look, bro. And then we got the fries. So let me pray real quick. Hey, man. So now, bro, we finally finna see what all of the hype is about. So look, usually, I eat my fries before I eat my sandwiches. But just because I'm doing a taste test, MUKBANG, whatever you want to call it, we're gonna taste the chicken sandwiches first. I even got them the orange to match, you know, the Popeyes thing, you feel me? In the bag over here. Still not right. So look. Hold on. I ain't getting no pickles. I don't even like pickles on my sandwiches. But this is what it's looking like. Nice little chicken. It's a little big. It's definitely bigger than Chick Fil A's. I ain't even gonna cap. Definitely bigger than Chick Fil A's. So let's see, bro. Let's see what all the hype is about, man. Bro. Hold on. Oh yeah. Bro. That right there. Woo. Bro. Y'all know how good Popeyes chicken is by itself. So why would it not be good on the chicken sandwich? Bro. Bro. Oh my gosh. Definitely worth the hype. Join back in the comments. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. This is better than Chick Fil A. Hands down. Hands down better than Chick Fil A. It's, bro. That spicy mayo hit. That spicy mayo hit, bro. We take a bite into it, and you get like all the, what do we call it? And the texture and the sauce, bro. Ooh, good. So look, we trying out the Popeye chicken sandwich. So look, I really want to talk to y'all on my channel. Feel me? So I've been thinking about doing All right, I got the sweet tea too. The sweet tea. Can't go wrong with sweet tea. I get sweet tea every time I go somewhere. McDonald's, whatever. Either sweet tea or Arnold Palmer. I need to start that. I need to drink more water when I go out, like restaurants. So look, bro. I'm thinking about doing a mukbang Q&A, but I was gonna do it this time. But it's like I don't have enough subscribers to do a mukbang Q&A. So I'm thinking about when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a mukbang Q&A. But hold on, back to the sandwich real quick. If you have not had the Popeyes chicken sandwich, what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on, bro? You need to get the Popeyes chicken sandwich. This right here. This the truth. That bit hit. Still got another one right here. Thank God. Thank God I got another one. Hey, what's my favorite thing to get from Popeyes? They get one thing, a $10 chicken box. They hit the spot too, man. Come on, guys. 6 tenders, 2 biscuits, 2 sides. Ain't go wrong. $10 ain't go wrong. I actually got 3 of these, but I got one for my mama. She got the regular one. She didn't get the spicy one. Before I heard too. How about them good fries? What's your favorite restaurant to go to? No clock. Okay, this right here. Favorite fast food. What's your favorite fast food restaurant to go to? Let me know down in the comment section, man. What's your favorite fast food restaurant to go to? Ooh, stop. But look, man, it's really. I can't really say too much about chicken sandwich, bro. It's just good, but you gotta try it. I gotta dig into this other one, bro. Y'all gotta watch me eat this other one real quick. See right here? Ooh, this one even look better. Look how big that is. Look how big the chicken is, bro. Chick Fil A, you ain't topping this, bro. You're not topping this Chick Fil A. Just look at this. Look at it. Compare this to the size of the Chick Fil A sandwich. Look at this. It's huge. This thing is huge, bro. Let's take a bite. The second one. I got like a little splatter that made on my mouth. I like that. Bro. I'm in love, bro. I'm in love. So hopefully, Chick Fil A don't run. Hopefully, Popeyes don't run out of chicken sandwiches this time. Hopefully they stay for good. The last time, they barely stayed out. About a week, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Sorry if I'm smacking. This is so good, bro. I ain't even got no napkin. My mouth burning out. Oh, I'm not really talking about like heat burning, but look, I'm not really affected by like spicy stuff. It's not really spicy. It's a little spicy. It's got a little kick to it, but it ain't that spicy. Bro, it just made my day. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. It is absolutely free. So why not? And also, leave a thumbs up on this video. It would mean a lot. Okay, now it just got spicy. That bitch got spicy, no cap. Oh my gosh, bro. I just wanna. You feel me? You feel me, bro? You just gotta. Bro. This is hard right there, too. I'm gonna limit this video too long, so after I eat the last part of the chicken sandwich, that'll be it, man. I'm trying to get full though. I ain't gonna lie. I was got some napkins. They ain't even give me no napkins. I should've got some myself. But Stunna crew. Y'all gotta get it. I gotta get it. I feel bad for all the vegans, vegetarians, people who don't eat meat. I feel bad for y'all, bro. Y'all missing out. No, they're healthy, but y'all missing out, bro. For sure. This right here, like I said, truth. The truth. I had to talk myself up, bro. Last bite, y'all. Last bite. I never really did them up, but I kind of like this. And I just, you know, eating a sandwich, eating food, whatever like that. Talking to y'all. Pretty cool, man. I might do it again. I might have like a bigger meal and probably more people. I'm gonna do it with more people, bro. Give y'all a little bit of entertainment, some jokes and all that. Cause this right here, I'm just eating by myself, so they ain't gonna really be as like, you know, entertaining. But I'm trying to make it as entertaining as possible. So, into my last bite, man. My last bite. That's it right there, bro. Alright, Stunna crew, that is it for this video. If you guys made it to this part of the video, I appreciate y'all for watching the whole video. And look, man, like I said before, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Join the Stunna crew. We are lit over here, man. We are on the way to the top. We are on the way to 1K subscribers. We're currently at like 640 right now. So look, man, all we need is 361 subscribers. And look, man, we gonna be at that 1K. That 1K coming real soon. I bet you that 1K is coming real soon. So please help me get that goal. Subscribe to the channel, like all my videos, share my videos, get my channel out there. And look, man, Stunna crew, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And we out, man. Let's get it. Gang.